We are really excited to introduce our new line of sterling silver solder charms here at Halstead. These itsy bitsy teeny tiny little sterling silver components do not have punched holes, attachment rings, or loops. Instead, they come in an array of basic shapes that can be sweat soldered onto the surface of any sheet metal jewelry components. Some examples are shown here with a round sterling silver blank embellished with solder charms, and one of our sterling silver cuff blanks embellished with some flower and leaf solder charms that have been artfully arranged on the surface. If you haven't completed training on sweat soldering, I recommend that you visit our articles and videos to get started on our YouTube and WordPress article channels. Check out all of the different shapes and sizes of solder charms available, and play with the possibilities these components allow on rings, bracelets, pendants, charms, and much, much more.